ang tagtaglahon. Make a wish, make a kuan pa.
Sige na lang, sige.
Okay, make a clap. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Happy birthday! Okay, let's try to see. Pili lang balik yung first. Okay, before we end our party tonight, we will hear a message coming from our guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, now guitar, her soul, Miss Ann Frances Gonzalez.
Barog. Barog, barog, barog.
Yeah, hopefully.
Good evening, everyone. I am very nervous right now, but I really am grateful for having you all in my 18th birthday. Although this was a bit sudden, I'm really grateful nga narito ang mga tao na although they have difficulties at home or kanina sila lakaw, hapit siya pag sila dire. I would like to thank my very best friends, the first ever friend I made in Shanghai and Salaray. Hi guys! From that table right there, they're my bestest of friends. And here in that table, yes, those are my classmates and my batchmates from Talado City Science High School. I'm very grateful for having you all here, and thank you for coming into my birthday party even though you have your own events going in another place. And then sa akong mga tito at tita, akong mga lolo o lola, hello inyong tanan. Thank you kaayo nga nangari mo, although nga naamay ibang himo, naghatag dyan mo kayong para nako. Thank you kaayo sa pag-ari. And to my little babies right there, grade 10, hello! Thank you for being here and being part of my birthday. I'm very grateful, John. Hi, ninyong dala. And of course, special mention to my cousins, because without them, this event won't even happen in the first place. Although, naami difficulties in making this event happen, tungod nila, I didn't nipadayon na Japan ko. So, thank you ninyo, mga cousins na ako, o mga ate, kuya. And, of course, to my parents, si daddy o si mama, thank you for although hindi ko butay na pagkabata hindi mo Japan mo sakripisyo para sa akong libo. Thank you kaayo nga naghatag mo na ako og opportunity nga maka-experience ko ani. So thank you kaayo ninyo. Overall, thank you everyone, mga guests na to, mga visitors, for joining your mga gibitan ako because all of you are invited naman dyan. So thank you so much for being part of my party. Thank you.
Nalisod mo sa kong ginhawa na yeah, okay rin na siya. Tears of joy man na siya, no? Kanang mo na ginaingon nga, ana gina ang 8th nga birthday, ma-celebrate once in a lifetime. So, enjoy dito ta, no? Kaya ako galibo ko kung magdibo ba ko, 18 ba ko, 21. For timbo na ako sa na pagka-senior. Okay, so to all of you, to all the guests, visitors, sa classmates niya, schoolmates, uban pa. Mga kabartiyan, Basalo, Dipio, uban pang mga kuhan ha. Sorry, ako ko. Ako mo siya official host since sa una pa, bata pa ko. Hanta na dagang guwang nila ko, take up nila. Grabe ikaw, the ever-dying supportive of Basalo and Dipio's family. Okay, so in behalf of our David son, so all of you enjoy the rest of the night. Nasi kami yung disco din. Okay, you have a big, atong tigiyon ang disco sa ubos. Okay, this is global celebration, a fiesta, and a birthday celebration. This is Consul Daves Lopez. Again, thank you to all of you, signing you off. Enjoy the rest of the night! Again, happy birthday! Really? Oh, wala ka slice sa cake. Paslice sa cake. Before you go, paslice sa cake. Slice sa cake, then... Ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the slicing of the cake.